2023 Toyota Prius review. It's not just about sky-high MPG anymore. Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we dive into all things automotive. Today, we've got something special in store for you, a comprehensive review of the 2023 Toyota Prius. So, let's jump right into it. But first, let's talk about what's new for 2023. The Prius is back with a fresh look and feel. Though its trusted platform remains, Toyota has revamped the interior, making it more user-friendly, with features like a new center console shifter and reposition gauges for a more intuitive experience. And you know what? It doesn't lose its cool factor either. The design is sleek and modern. Plus, the materials quality has been stepped up a notch, making it a standout in the eco-friendly car segment. But wait, there's more. The center console is a storage haven with big cup holders, a nifty vertical wireless phone charger, a spacious forward bin, and a huge under armrest compartment. In car technology, Toyota's kept things simple and smart here. They've preserved physical climate controls, steering clear of the all-touchscreen trend. The latest Toyota infotainment system makes an appearance, available in 2 sizes. It's sleek but not without quirks like an exit hiccup in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a navigation system that likes to reset your settings. And oh, that old physical menu shortcut button. It's no longer there, which might be a tad annoying. Gauge cluster. One point of contention is the gauge cluster. It's no longer in the middle, but for some, it's not quite high enough to avoid obstructing the view. Shorter drivers might feel this more. So, while they fixed one issue, they created another. It's a mixed bag. Size and cargo capacity. So, how big is the Prius? It maintains its predecessor's size, falling into the compact car category, like the Toyota Corolla and Honda Civic. But here's the kicker. Its cargo capacity has shrunk by a noticeable 7 cubic feet in 2023. Blame that on the sleeker design, which affects its hatchback versatility. The rear seat headroom hasn't improved either, and if you're tall, your head might be close to the roof, lifting a kid into a child's seat. It's not the easiest due to the door slope. The legroom's decent for a compact car. 4 adults can fit comfortably. Up front, there's ample space, and the lower roof and lowered seat create a car-like driving position. Plus, that higher center console adds to the sporty vibe and boosts storage. Fuel economy and performance. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty, fuel economy and performance. The 2023 Prius packs a punch with a larger 2.0-liter inline-4 and 2 electric motors. The total output is 194 horsepower, or 196 horsepower with all-wheel drive. Surprisingly, it sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7.2 seconds, quick for a compact hybrid. Fuel economy varies. The baseline trim gets an impressive 57 mpg city, 56 mpg highway, and 57 mpg combined. However, it drops to 52 mpg across the board for the XLE and limited trims. Charging and Prime model. And here's a cool fact. You don't need to plug in the regular Prius to recharge its battery. It does that on its own through regenerative braking. But the Prius Prime is a different beast. It has a larger battery that benefits from plugging in. A regular outlet takes 11 hours, but with a 240-volt setup, it's just 4 hours. The result? Up to 44 miles on electric power alone. Plus, when you need a boost, the engine's got your back, pushing the total output to 220 horsepower and a 0-60 time of 6.6 seconds. Fuel economy for the Prime depends on your charging habits, but it's efficient, with estimates of 127 mpge for the C and 114 mpge for the XSE trims. Driving experience. So, what's it like to drive? This new Prius is a game changer. The electric motor kicks in smoothly, and when the engine joins the party, it's a seamless blend of power. Thanks to the more robust powertrain, less noise and vibration make for a quieter ride. Steering is more precise, and there's even a sport mode for those craving more oomph. Body movements are well controlled, and the ride quality remains solid, even with 19 inches wheels. It's not just a Prius, it's a fun-to-drive Prius. Advanced driving features. But here's something interesting. Both Prius models come with proactive driving assist, which automatically slows down the car when approaching slower traffic or turns. It feels like having adaptive cruise control, and it works seamlessly. Although it's not as noticeable on twisty roads, it can be turned off. Just remember it comes back on when you restart the car. Pricing. Now, let's talk money. The Prius lineup has different trim levels for both regular and Prime models. There are no significant performance changes between them, but they do offer various features. The Prime, in particular, boasts a solar roof option for added battery charging. So, you've got options to choose from to match your preferences. Safety features. Last but not least, safety. Every Prius comes equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which is packed with driver assistance tech, including features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. Unfortunately, we don't have third-party crash test ratings yet, but it's packed with safety features to keep you and your passengers protected. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2023 Toyota Prius. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop when we drop a new video. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you all next time. Drive safe and take care.